Utie oha echi ponkno. Needs FM.
Politics. And I say campaign elections, a process. Right from the day out, declaration of results. Now we start the process for your next election.
Okay.
And no idea a whole politician behind him.
Okay.
Because there's no time, say time away and a media approach election. However, there were steps that we take it to get to that point.
Okay.
It's the steps that we access. Steps now here for now. It was the right time and then the right time. So obi asa enye obi so asa. So you ask now about Ghana. Ghana ya to abewie. Now your time of now recovering. Now abai now obedwin oman no mo de omo time na na ye omo political activities. Omo de abai no resources that is where the question will come. No be say and be a sida na omampeni Nanado when he lost power in 2012, in fact 2008, his first statement against Professor Moss, our Presby Church Osu, I say Professor Moss should stop politicking
and fix the economy.
Nti saa nipa yi no abeye o mampeni 4 years. Na his first 1 month na ni nipa in crop for yes I nyama we are. How do you believe his statement on that time against Professor Moss?
Do you think Senka except my mampeni na Akufo-Addo ebe call him to order stop it and answer them?
If you have a leader, if that party has a leader, obeye.
Maybe now my say people wants party faithful.
Why now no? In fact, the day they
General Secretary.
What they buy, and then the following day, and the majority leader, Minister of Finance, running mates are waiting.
Okay, so a running mate are waiting.
Oh, that's how be lobby.
Oh, lobby be asem na aba no work.
When me come say, well, lobby on the PA. What's it? This time, the running mate, ne was saying, Minister of Finance are waiting. Until we obi a work from nothing. After the General Secretary's statement. They don't even take it. They don't. He said now to that kind of no. In fact, today, we have MPP communication. We be sending message. Now, Baomiani Pana ewa star office now. The alarm people attack him. Where alarm so are? Omu de oman no taskele. Emu one omu 2 light bill mono. Emu because taskele omu de oman ni no. And they are 2 gas, you get 2 gas more. Omu de sikadi say because they are not even sitting down to think about Ghana. It's about them. It is about them. They should not tell Ghanaians. I want to see that institutions who would have spoken against the NDC. If they can do NDC, they would have come out to speak out. Say, a minor some and here, say, they can answer. As we are speaking, posters are over areas. Among 4 year press conferences, and nobody is saying anything about it. In fact, last time Rotary's issue by there are people who believe to say, why are they using this country in this difficult time? We are giving us this problem. It is for us, NDC. Who nyama say MPP and we know say any because I will say they have the men. Am I 17 now? Ombe against Kaumanya say Dombe. They will do. They have gotten the money so much there. Even starting doing campaign today to 4 years, they don't care. And no more. In fact, if Nanka, say they are all title or belt. Nanka will be printed poster. I'm telling you, if the MPP believe say they are only speaking the same language that all of us speaking, say teacher of mine will be all no COVID and ma or minor or they will not be doing it.
Is it Gabriel and Gombe?
Way more. They would have spoken to Ghanaians about the challenges of this country. And they will use that one going forward. But only me say Ghana, 2 things will happen. They do about Jessica. A trap boat in a
father so be a chebi.
Me say Debbie,
NDC MPP check.
Me say, only say, and see that. Say, Yako Prime Minister delegate at 3,000. MPP, who we 3,000. Who constituency about 120 polling stations. Who are 5 executives are multiplied by that 150 times 3,000 cities. Now Obia Timianya, no parliament. And so they know, say, delegates, when they big money, they will vote. They will choose. So even the delegates are now helping them. Oh, so they are doing it. I'm prepare. So they are doing it. So once I will also pay security. They have taken Ghanaians for right. On say a trap voting now. Ebeko baby, there's a big nail on that area no. Oh, so those areas, so the people they don't even think about say, Juma and obey no winning elections. No, they don't now believe in that.
Politicians, sue and MPP for
MPP. The MPP have now come to tell themselves, say, you can't say free education. You have 1 million before you buy it. But you have 1 million review. Until you used to went for front idea and always cut them and obey it. Because when we are giving the right messages, so for me, I'm issues where I'm raising. I don't know. They are now telling Ghanaians say they will choose Bawumia for 2024 to come and increase gas cost, to come and increase light bill. Your taxes will be increasing. And I say, I'm the Alan Baba. I'm the Alan Baba. And I say, I'm the Alan Baba. And now the room says, Alan no one do stay what my ready budget. Alan, now do. In fact, this is our trade anti-marriage.
I didn't know because already budget.
This is our trade anti-marriage budget. The budget will be already. Oh, Massa. Let's be. The economy, the campaign economy,
a trade.
Trade is next to the finance. Now, Buna concern say because they do over Casafa, Obanya, Diana, early did Baumia, and Tia Maunko. Now, my ready mate awaiting. I bury the budget. Now, money, Vice President, I am the border guide. What kind of concert are we doing? What kind of jokes is MPP taking Ghanaians to? Yeah. What do you say? Printing now, we are here. If the MPP is serious, sponsor, as a party, they would have traced who printed the ballot and that poster. What do you say? They could have traced it. In fact, this is a poster, not one, across the country. The quality. Similar like the Nanado's posters that were used in 2020 elections. So they will know who printed it. But the Ghana Chaskele. The Ghana Chaskele. Once you are increasing gas, Baumia Alan. They say, DC is now more corner. One support to Alan. On your lucky, who support to Baumia. This is what they are doing with Ghana. The Ghana Chaskele. People are now forced to accept say support too. In fact, especially those who are Alan Strong, Alan Nidia, Minister no JB. But people now come see the work playground. Maybe Minister now Alan the work see the work playground. Until they can do all the Baumia's propaganda with economy, gas cost a bit exposed Baumia.
Meda se Jibril say obaye. Ebusia Jibril Made a former deputy national organizer of the NDC.
Utie Oha Echi Ponkno Needs FM.